You know, there's been a lot of subculture developed around the idea that participating whole life insurance creates cash value over time, which can be borrowed or leveraged against to finance things in life. Several groups have even staked their claims on the fact that they discovered, developed, or designed this concept. But the age-old fact remains that life insurance has been around for centuries, building up cash values, and thousands of people have borrowed against it and paid it back. Other people out there are just enjoying and being satisfied with all the money they're making, trashing this concept and telling people that life insurance is the worst investment they could make. But the truth of the matter is that we need to understand that participating whole life insurance policy is a contract that guarantees the buildup of cash value and also guarantees you the right to borrow from it. Think of this concept. John Wanamaker, nearly 100 years ago, stated this about life insurance. Life insurance is one of the best forms of investment because it gives, after one deposit, an instant guarantee to repay principal, interest, and more. That life insurance in the long run is a savings fund that not only saves, but takes average care of my deposits and takes me into partnership that not infrequently returns principal, interest, and profit as well. That life insurance is more profitable than any other investment I can make, and that life insurance, enables a man to give away all he wishes during his lifetime by providing an estate for those left behind. Now that comes from a man who was known as the father of the truth in advertising, was the founder of Macy's, was a postmaster general, worked with the YMCA extensively in its development, and was one of the first people ever to give benefits to his employees. But even more recently than that, one of our clients expressed how her great-great-grandfather used his life insurance policy in the 1880s to borrow against so he could found his cigar factory in Austin, Texas. Today, that cigar company is still in business, providing services and employing employees all these years. But we can just even look at the latest financial statements about personal finances of our Vice President, Joe Biden, who owns 6 participating whole life insurance policies, has borrowed against those policies, and is currently paying them back. So for someone to stake a claim on saying they discovered, developed, or designed this concept is a little bit ludicrous, as is the statement that this is the worst type of investment that you could ever have. We need to brush all of those cobwebs away and focus on the fact, the critical fact, that owning participating whole life insurance has created wealth, abundance, and value for thousands of people. And every one of our coaches here at Life Benefits owns participating whole life insurance, has borrowed against it, and has paid it back. And we want to help you create the value, abundance, and wealth in your life by teaching you to do the same thing. We look forward to your call.